For sale at Classic Auto Mall is this 1970 Chevelle Malibu that has received a frame-off restoration and features a modern 5.3-liter LS V8 with a Holley Terminator X EFI and a Stage 3 camshaft. It's backed by a TH400 transmission with a 12-bolt rear axle. The body is covered in nearly perfect atomic orange paint with black stripes. It has 20-inch Diablo wheels on all four corners. The interior features Camaro ZR1 leather seats in the front and Camaro bucket seats in the back. Whether you want to buy or sell a classic, collectible, or special interest vehicle, you need to visit Classic Auto Mall in person or check everything out on our website for more information. If you're looking to buy, you can easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 vehicles on the web at classicautomall.com. If you'd like to know all the advantages of selling your car through consignment, the information is available on our website, or you can chat with a professional who can answer all of your questions. It's easy, safe, and convenient, plus we sell worldwide. We're always adding new vehicles to our inventory, so make sure you check out our website, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on social media.